In this class, we will discuss about the differentiate between the mass and very important topic. Is it before starting the topic, anybody can tell me what is the mass? Yes.
The mass is the amount of matter present in our body.
Very good. Mass is the amount of matter. Sit down. Mass is the amount of matter contained in any body. Suppose you have 4 chocolates, okay, and you bring it to the school. Then still the 4 chocolates are there. If you do not eat that, now then the matter of the body remains same if you do not break it, if you do not cut it, if you do not remove any part of it. Then the matter contained by the body is called mass. Then the first difference, or you can say the mass can be defined as the amount of matter contained by the body. Now we are going to define the weight. Okay. Then students, weight is not any special thing. It's a very simple. Suppose we have this chalk. Okay. The earth is attracting this chalk now. Earth is attracting this chalk toward itself. It means some force is acting on it. On this chalk some force is acting. This force is called weight. Weight is nothing special. Weight can be defined as the force of attraction due to the earth, or you can say the gravitational attraction force experienced by a body is called its weight. Means weight is not any different type. It's also a force. It's also a gravitational force. Okay, but when a body is placed over the surface of a planet, and the planet attracts it, then the force experienced by this body is called weight. Means the weight is the gravitational pull. Gravitational pull of the earth or any planet for an object is called the weight. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
When mass is the amount of matter contained in the body. Suppose there is a cup of tea. Then the matter is the tea there. If you remove that tea, there will be the lesser mass. A glass of water, then it is filled with the water, then it is the some mass. Then similarly our body, it's a contents of some different types of matter, it has a mass. Then amount of matter is called mass, and weight is very simply you can say it is the gravitational attraction force or gravitational pull experienced by a body is called its weight. Difference number 2. Second difference. Unit of mass is, what is the unit of mass? Kg, kilogram. No? Gram, kilogram. Then the unit of mass is the kg, gram. You can write. And what is the unit of weight?
Newton.
Yes, because weight is a force. No? As we said that weight is a gravitational attraction of the earth, then weight is a force. Weight is nothing special, it is a gravitational force, and the unit of force is Newton. Then the unit of weight is Newton. Clear?
Yes.
Then this is the second difference between the mass and weight. Third difference. Mass remain constant at every place. Suppose if you have a 1 kg of potato and you bring it at the surface of moon, still it will remain same. Is there any change in the amount of potato? If there are 20 potato, still there will be the 20 in the amount. Is there any possibility to change in their size or shape? No. Then the mass remain constant from place to place. If you go from one place to another place, the mass will remain same. Then mass remain constant, but weight varies. Suppose you are on the surface of earth, then earth is applying a gravitational attraction force. And this force can be calculated using the formula F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square. One of the mass is this chalk and another mass is the earth. R is the distance between these two. But if you are going to the surface of moon, there will be a different attraction force because the mass of moon is smaller than the earth. Moon is smaller than that of the earth. Then this same body will experience a lesser force on the surface of the moon. It means the weight varies from place to place. If you go from one place to another place, there will be a different value of gravitational attraction. That's why weight varies from place to place. Then you will write here that weight varies from place to place. Weight varies from place to place. Fourth difference. What is the fourth difference? Anybody can tell me? Is there any special difference? The next difference between the weight and mass is the measuring devices. For measuring the mass, we use physical balance or beam balance. You all have seen in the vegetable shops, they have a machine, they hold it in their hand, and at one pan they put a weight of 1 kg, 2 kg, and at another pan they put the objects, and this machine look like this. I think you all have seen this machine, you all are aware with this machine.
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
This machine is called beam balance or physical balance. In Hindi we call it taraju. But this machine is called beam balance or physical balance. Physical balance. Okay? Then for measuring the mass, we use the beam balance. And for measuring the weight, then you will use here spring balance. Spring balance look like this. There is a spring inside a body. There is a rectangular shaped body. There is a spring inside it, and it has a hook over which we can hang the objects whose weight is to be measured. And spring balance can be used to measure the weight, and you can see the spring balance in your physics lab, and you can also see it when the cylinder hawker come to for delivery of the cylinder, gas cylinder. Then they have a machine to show the weight of that body, that cylinder, and that machine is the spring balance. You can see at there also. Okay, then there are four major differences. First one is the matter, and weight is
Gravitational.
it is a force. Weight is a force which is applied by the earth or any planet on the object. Second, its unit is kg, and weight has a unit Newton. It remains constant. Mass not change from place to place, but the weight varies from place to place. Next, it is measured by the mass is measured by the physical balance. That machine is called physical balance or beam balance, and the weight is measured by the spring balance. Okay, and this is the common difference between the mass and weight. You can write it.